Why does your scanner show the P2542 engine code? What does it mean? P2542 is a diagnostic trouble code for low-pressure fuel system sensor circuit high. The P2542 engine code for indicate. Your car's main computer is receiving an implausibly high voltage reading from the sensor that monitors fuel delivery from the tank. It is an electrical circuit fault, not a mechanical fuel pump failure. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed low-pressure fuel sensor, shorted wiring or damaged harness, outdated powertrain control module, water intrusion or corrosion, poor ground connection. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, Land Rover, Volvo, Jaguar, and Nissan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.